Hello everyone and welcome back to Reading is Fun. Today we will read the story The Strength of Unity. Let's read it together. For days, Greg, a Giganotosaurus, was seen lurking around the small community of Gravitolus dinosaurs in the forest. Greg was always on the lookout for an opportunity to hunt one of the Gravitolus dinosaurs. But each time they noticed him approaching, they would come together in a huddle. So an attack from any side of the huddle could be tackled. This strategy worked, and Greg left defeated and hungry each time. One day, an argument erupted in the Gravitolus community, and everyone decided to go his separate ways. That afternoon, when Greg approached the community, there was no huddle, no group protecting one another. Delighted at the sight, Greg devised a plan and attacked the Gravitolus dinosaurs. One after the other, he hunted the entire community. Having lost their strength and powers, they lost their lives, forgetting that there is no strength greater than that of unity. I hope you like and understand the story. I will come back again with another interesting story. Till then, keep reading and take care of yourself. Goodbye.